All right, good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, whatever time you're watching this. We're continuing with lesson 7.2, rates and proportions, and we're on page 46 of our math notebook. So we're taking notes on this question that we have here as an example, and you can see it's a two-part question here. We're going to have to do two parts to answer this question. We're going to do this in more detail. So I'm going to zoom in, and everyone will be able to see a little bit better what we're going to be doing here. There we go. Okay, so at the very top it says Sheldon and Leonard are partners in a business. Sheldon makes $2 in profits for every $5 that Leonard makes. If together they make a profit of $28, how much profit does Sheldon make? Okay, so first off, Sheldon makes how much dollars? He makes less. He makes $2 in profit for every $5 that Leonard makes. Put Leonard in blue. So Leonard makes $5 for every $2 that Sheldon makes. Okay. And then it asks us here if they make a profit together, $28, how much does Sheldon make? Okay. So we got to write a proportion first. And we're going to have a missing value. Now, the thing is this is a tough question because you got to think about this. We're talking about how much, if they make a profit together, if together they make a profit of $28. So we can't think of a ratio of 2 to 5. Sheldon makes $2 for every $5 that Leonard makes. We need to think about a ratio of how much Sheldon makes to how much they make together. So that's the ratio I'm going to make. I'm going to make $2 to $5 plus $2, which is $7. So this is how much Sheldon makes. And this is how much they make together. So now that I know that, I can make an equivalent ratio and say, well, if they made $28 together, then how much did Sheldon make? I'm going to make that X. So we made a proportion. They are equivalent fraction or equivalent ratios. They are equivalent fractions as well. And then I'm going to make this, mark this X just for clarification. This is how much Sheldon makes if they made $28 together. Okay, so just to recap, Sheldon makes $2 for every $5 that Leonard makes. But when you add those $2 plus $5 together, they make $7 together. So Sheldon makes $2 for every $7 that they make together. If they made $28 together, how much would Sheldon make from that? So we've got these equivalent ratios here. Okay, so we've got our proportions. Now we need to use ratio reasoning or the butterfly method to find the unknown value. So I'm going to take the same amount that I have up top. I'm going to take the $2 over the $7. Same exact equivalent ratio that I used up top. $28 was the amount that they made together. And we had that variable of X. Now there's a few ways you could solve this. We could use ratio reasoning and say 7 times 4 is 28. So 2 times 4 is how much X is. We could use the butterfly method. I haven't done the butterfly method on this for a while, so let's use the butterfly method today. I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to multiply 2 times 28. And I'm also going to cross multiply 7 times X. Okay, so 2 times 28. Well, I know that 25, 2 times 25 is 50, and this is 3 more on each side, so it'd be 6 more total. So 2 times 25 is 50 plus 6, 56. So 2 times 28 is 56. And 7 times x, that's easy. 7 times x is just 7x. So I'm going to take these two products that I got, and I'm going to rewrite my equation. 7x equals 56. I'm going to divide by 7 on both sides. These 7s get eliminated, and I'm left with x equals 56 divided by 7, which is 8. And I'm going to circle my answer. All right, so if x equals 8, we know that Sheldon makes $2 when they make $7 together, which means when they make $28 together, Sheldon makes $8 of that. So I'm going to write my answer here. Sheldon makes $8 when Sheldon, what was the other guy's name? And Leonard make $28 together. And I have proven my claim because I've shown the work. I showed the work with the equivalent ratios using the butterfly method and finding the answer. So thank you for watching. I'm going to zoom out. These notes are available in Google Classroom at the very bottom of the page where it says screencast notes. You can get your notes there. If you want to watch the video at the same time, you can get these notes later on if you want. And I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Take care.